Third, 2 points tayo.
Ay, napuro.
3 points.
Isang kasi. Ay,
3 points on first station. Still 3 points.
ay na. Isang kasi. Uy,
Adjust ng tira.
Name.
3 points.
Name.
Adjust ng tira. Okay, pinakamalapit yung gitna.
Dapat na ba shoot namin?
4 points. 5 points.
Uy!
6 points. 7 points.
Hey!
Last two para mag-champion. 9. 9 points ka na.
Kahit dalawa na lang i-shoot mo dyan.
10 points. 10 points. Last one pa siya. Last one. For the win. 10. Oy. 11 points na si
May
Lenny.
shoot dyan. 11 na.
Still 11 points.
Ay, siyempre alam ka.
Just 2 points.
At least naka 11. Why?
Last 1 point. Nako, 1 point.